Your grandma the first black lady to spill Kool-Aid on her grandma's son, weird ass nigga. You ugly as shit, nigga. Your grandma used neon lights to light up her pussy hairs, weird ass nigga. Nigga said lights up, Skechers. Weird ass nigga, shut your fat neck ass up, nigga. You ugly like shit, nigga. I'm about to kill your shit, nigga. You been like that nigga Spazzo left ankle fat ass nigga. You going out of weight, weird ass nigga. You ugly like shit, nigga. You like a Publix machine, fat ass nigga. You like a McDonald's ice cream machine, nigga. You going out of business, fat ass nigga. You ugly like shit, nigga. Your grandma about nasty as hell, my nigga. You about like an unidentified lobster, fat ass nigga. For wrong with you, you unidentified chromosome. You ugly as shit, nigga. You that one special ESC kid in the back of the class with his tongue out and his eyeball in his hand, weird ass nigga. You ugly as shit, fat ass nigga.
Oh,
Your
who
grandma
don't
be
know?
cooking
Kill
up
him, bro.
gumbo with your ass, weird ass nigga. You ugly as shit, nigga. That shit was lame as hell, nigga. Under the sea. Ugly ass nigga, where do they be? Ugly ass nigga, for wrong with you, my nigga. Yo, gonna be walking you in the Popeyes talking about some everything that the light touches, you may have.
Like a big ass honey bun wrapper.
Pena, can I get a Big Mac and a side of fries? Nigga, you ugly as shit, big body bitch. Fuck wrong with you, my nigga. You ugly as hell, my nigga. Yo, gonna be playing Call of Duty with her legs, weird ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you, my nigga. Nigga said, oh nigga, what you saying?
Centipede, you fat bitch. You
Grandma
smoke
ugly
Tito's
as hell,
out of
my
big
nigga. Your
ass
grandma's
cigar
an
roll up.
ancient
You fat
African
ass nigga.
beetlebug, weird ass nigga. Fuck wrong with
Like a
you, my
big
nigga.
ass
Nigga said the
Hana
African has
eater.
cut me
Fat ass nigga.
again.
He like a
Weird
big
ass
species. You dirty bitch. You nasty ass.
ankle bracelets has all fucking octopus tentacles, weird ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you, my nigga. You ugly as hell, my nigga. Mike Tyson started biting off your toenails. Nigga thought it was a hero, big headed ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you. You ugly as hell, nigga. You built like Yao Ming ankles, weird ass nigga. You ugly as shit. Nigga said round one. Fight, ugly ass nigga. You growl at your food, fat ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. You be barking at your food like you a hound dog, fat ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you. You mysterious as hell, nigga. Fuck wrong with you. You man mysterious left titty nipple looking ass nigga. You ugly as shit. I'm really about to kill your shit, nigga. You about nasty as hell, nigga. You look like Hermes from Hercules, weird ass nigga. I'm about to whip off your wings, fat ass. Fuck wrong with you, weird ass nigga. You ugly like shit, nigga. Nigga said Optimus Prime, assemble. Fat ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you. That shit was lame as hell, nigga. Nigga said ready. Fat ass nigga. You ugly as shit, nigga. I'm about to kill your shit. Nigga said no, I'm Dirty Dan. Ugly ass nigga. Yo gonna be getting beating your ass with planks of wood from Home Depot, fat ass nigga. You ugly as shit. Nigga said that shit was lame as hell, fat ass nigga. Yo, grandma take you to Lowe's just to quit walk with your ankle bracelet, fat ass nigga. You ugly as shit, nigga. Yo, grandma be doing sit-ups in Toyota Supras, fat ass nigga. You ugly as shit. What's wrong with you, weird body bitch? Yo, grandma be chewing on leopard gecko nutrients, fat ass. Fuck wrong with you?
Did he leave?